Hey guys, today I'm here with my friend David,
Hey,
and we're going to teach you an introductory method to F2L.
this method only involves 5 of the 42 cases for solving the first two layers.
Okay, so first things first, you have to screw it up. Does that look good, David?
hmm
Okay, so now,
What you're going to do is solve the white cross, for us preferably, and then once you do, put it on the bottom.
that's there. Okay, so white cross
It goes on the bottom.
on the bottom. So now we get into the F2L. First things first, line up the color as if you were doing the beginner's method. But what you want to do is slide it down so you're actually screwing up the cross. And like this one, it's red and blue. You actually have a F2L pair with the red, blue, and white corner and the red and blue edge piece. So what you want to do is shift it out of the way.
So that red is now on the blue.
Mm-hmm.
It's like opposites.
And now pull the right side up, which does destroy the cross. Shift it into the right place and pull the right side back down.
Basically inserting the F2L pair.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we find another one. And another one is the blue and orange pair. So what you want to do is line the blue and orange up, but you destroyed the cross. So now pull the blue and orange piece to the bottom so you can rotate the blue side back and then rotate the orange side back and you'll get this piece in place. So now we go and find this piece, and it's the blue, orange, and white piece, and it's facing us. So you do U R U prime R prime U2 R U prime or okay. So now, as you can see, I have the edge piece in place and the corner piece in the right place, but it's not oriented correctly. So to do this, the algorithm is R U2 R U R prime U R U2 R2. And you can see we put it right in the right place. So now what we do is finish it off. Okay, so for the last set, you're going to want you're going to want the corners or the corner to be in the front and or the color that's on the bottom is going to be in front, and the edge piece, for some reason, sometimes it actually ends up being backwards. I'm not sure why, but the algorithm is R2 U2 R prime U prime R U prime R prime U2 R prime. And that's how you do the final case of F2L. So now I'm just going to finish solving this. And that's how you do it. That's the intermediate F2L. That it's actually only 5 out of the 42 cases, but I've solved using it a bunch of times. It's the only 5 cases you're really going to need.